out, just make sure I can see your hands. You'll have nothing to worry about.
This is body cam footage out of Phoenix, Arizona. Police tracked down a woman who had an active warrant for a homicide. She's sitting in the driver's seat of that blue truck. The guy in the passenger seat did the smart thing and surrendered right away, but she completely refuses to get out. Let's watch how the officers handle this standoff, because things are about to escalate real fast.
You want me to move? You need to come out the passenger window. Why can't you come out the passenger window?
Hey, I'll move my car. Just get bodies.
Hey, we're not here to negotiate. You're under arrest. You're gonna come out of that car. And she's saying she's not gonna go.
Give me stand.
Yeah,
I got you. Hey, let's work on giving her an easy exit, and then we'll introduce pepper ball.
I'm telling you.
Hey, guys, lock me. Hey, lock me. Hey, look at me.
I'm gonna get pepper ball.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. Okay, we need you to come out. Here's the deal. Here's the deal. Come out one of two ways. I need you to come out this way.
Can you work off me?
Go. I go. Go. Hey.
Let's pause right here for a second. The officers are trying to end this without using deadly force, so they bring out a pepper ball launcher. The plan is to break the window to force her out, but watch closely what happens next. Instead of giving up, she actually grabs a handgun and points it right at the cops. The officer has literally a split second to react to save his own life.
That's fine. Leave it there. Okay.
It's gonna get real uncomfortable.
Put your car in park, or it's going to increase. Do you understand?
It's only gonna get worse. You're under arrest.
Hands up. Hands up. Come on.
Get the gun.
It's all right. We're all right.
Here's the deal. Come out one of two ways. I need you to come out this way. You don't care. Go. Hey.
Just turn the car on.
Hey. That's fine. Leave it there. Okay.
We're gonna get real uncomfortable.
Put your car in park, or it's going to increase. Do you understand?
It's only gonna get worse. Hands up. Hands up.
She has a gun.
It's wild how fast a routine stop can turn into a nightmare. After the shots were fired, the officers got her out of the truck and gave her medical aid. She was taken to the hospital, survived her injuries, and went straight to jail. It just goes to show the crazy risks these guys face every single day. But I want to hear from you. What do you guys think about how this went down? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more breakdowns like this.